This session we will continue our interior rendering project. Next, we will move to light setting, but first we have to check and make sure every material was set. This should be a video. Let's set the material first. I forgot to set this one. I just wanna make normal. Oops, that's too strong. Okay, and then this should be a mirror. And then this should be a video. Multimedia. And then let's import the video. And then change the intensity 0.5, 0.1. Okay, let's set this later. And now let's move to light setting, but before it we have to put a curtain here because curtain will affect the natural lighting. So we have to put the curtain. It's very important for interior rendering because it's kinda cheat code or shortcut to get smooth natural light. Because with curtain, the sun ray not affecting the room directly. If we put a curtain right here, change the direction. Okay. Okay. Make it big. Size. Oops. Okay, adjust the size. Flip again. Yeah. Looks good. And copy again to another side. And this will helping when we make animation, the animation will look more dynamic, and which is good. Okay, let's move to image mode and then change the HDRI. For interior, I love to use HDRI. Just more smooth, more natural. Clear, sunny, early morning. Or I have uh, 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 uh. How about the geosky? Let's try. But the geosky is have sun shadow. If we use HDRI, it's smooth, but there is no sun ray. Yeah, it's that's the choice according to you. But for this rendering, I want a smooth general light, so I will choose this early morning. And then change the setting. Skylight, I think 0.1. Too dark. Let's try 0.3. Okay, looks good. 0.01. Copy parameter. Let's see from this. Let's see from here. Paste parameter. Okay, we need a background. Okay, let's put a background, maybe a city background. We have to put, because back again is affecting the general light, so we need to put a model backdrop plane, and we have urban daytime or autumn trees. I think when I use this urban daytime, okay, let's see from inside. Okay, we need to move it. Z location 0. Okay, and then rotation. Oops. Why? Hmm. I wanna choose this one. Okay, good. Back out to our main scene, and back again to image mode. Background, okay. Sun. I think we need a custom, so we can have a dramatic shadow. I think right here should be good. Altitude. Let's turn on the caustic, and then sun intensity, sun disk radius. Let's make it sharp. Like this. And then intensity 0.1. I think it's enough. Not too strong. Because if the sun ray too strong, it will make the rendering very white, and we don't want that. 0.05, because it's morning and the sun is not that strong. Sun disk radius, and 0.5 should be good. Okay. And next we have to set artificial lighting. The first, I want to set the general light right here. So let's change the emissive to and make it 10. Then temperature 3.5K. I think we need to adjust the natural light later, because artificial light will affect the entire room ambience, so we need to tweak back the natural light. Let's set this in direct light, turn on the emissive, and then change the temperature 3.5K, and then turn it up until it show bouncing in the panel. Let's try 50. It's not bouncing. Yeah, it's showing here. Why? I think the natural light just too strong. Well, let's stick with a 50 and then change the natural light. The skylight 0.1. And then the sun 0.02. Okay. Now it starts showing the indirect, because is natural and artificial is affecting each other, so we need to tweak it carefully until to meet the balance of them, and that's very tricky. Start showing. Okay, it's only showing on in here. Now start showing here. start showing here, showing here. Okay. Yeah, the sun is very strong right here. Okay, it's no problem. For now, let's set 5,000. 5,000. Okay. Let's set this thing. Okay, next we have indirect right here. Indirect for the furniture. It's right here. Let's turn it on. Then change the temperature. 3.5K as usual. The bloom just too strong. It's not showing. Let's try 50. Okay. Now that starts showing now. Let's turn off the bloom. Okay. And then oh, that's not too strong. It's 50. Let's see from other scene. Okay, it's not showing. Okay, let's put spotlight right here and change the temperature 3.5K. Okay, let's set this thing. That's too strong. We only need the panel and change the intensity to 1. Let's turn it up. How about 10? It's not enough. Let's try 25. Okay, I think it's enough. Let's copy it to artwork. Right here. Okay. And change the radius. Okay, nice. And let's copy again to another side that we need to wash. Okay, we have this panel, and then right here. Oh, that's too strong. That looks weird. I think we need to turn it down to 5 maybe. Turn it down. And then let's copy to another spot in front of the mirror. It's very important. It should be more light here. Let's turn it up to 15. Okay. Yeah, this one looks odd. Let's make it right here. Okay. Looks good so far. Let's back to image mode and setting the effect to make the scene more perfect. Environment, I think we need more sun. Let's change it to 0.05. No, 0.05. Oh, and then we need skylight. How about 0.2, 0.5? Too strong. I think 0.2 is uh, best value. And then let's play with the effect. Right here, it's too dark right here. Exposure is automatic. Let's setting it manually. 0.2. Yeah, that's very strong. That's very strong. 0.15. Okay. And highlight. That's bad. And white balance. I think just use default white balance because we have already warm the room with ambient light or indirect light, so it should be okay with this setting. Let's turn on the outline so we can get more texture here, but 0.3 is enough to make the strongest texture on wall panel. Okay, I think we have problem with the curtain. The curtain just not transparent enough. Yeah. So we need to find a solution. I think we need to change the curtain because the animated curtain mm, not transparent enough, and we can change the material, of course. Okay, let's search from yeah, not transparent enough. Let's delete the curtain. That looks better. Let's see. But we still need the curtain. Because it will look odd if we don't put the curtain. I think we need to change the curtain, so let's change the model. Let's give it a curtain from the SketchUp. I will put a curtain and then we can tweak the transparent of the curtain. It should be better than using curtain from D5 library. Yeah, D5 library have a certain animation that make our rendering more dynamic if we make animation, but yeah, we cannot control the material, so that's a trade-off. So we have to choose, we want animation or we want better light. That's a trade-off, and for this case I will choose better light, so we will use curtain from SketchUp, and then we can tweak the transparent and material setting more more customized. Let's see, where is my curtain? My standard curtain. Okay, right here. So this is my curtain from library. We have two layer of curtain, this one and let's put this. Right here. And then scale the thickness. Just use a free scale. Like this. Okay. And then okay. And put just like this. Okay. Okay, let's save this. And then open it on D5, update the model. Okay, back to the D5, and then update or reload the file. And that's a proof that the curtain, the window, it's very affecting the natural light. Very affecting. Okay, let's change the material. So I changed the curtain. I use the curtain from SketchUp, so we can tweak the material more freely. Okay, let's change. We need this scene. Then let's change the material. Fabric, gray curtain. For the dark one, and then we'll use white gauze curtain. Okay, you can see looks better. Let's back to the main scene. Yeah, the sun ray more controlled. Let's tweak again. Tweak the environment. Change the sunlight. I think I wanna make this direction. And then turn up the skylight to 0.5. Or 1. Too strong. How about 0.5 line? Looks too strong. I think 0.4 or 0.3 just the best value. 0.3. Still too strong. Should be 0.3, I think. The temperature. No, the sky temperature should be normal. 7,000, I think. No, normal or default. Exposure 0.2. How about 0.3? Oh, it's too strong. 0.3, and then the contrast maybe minus 0.1, minus 0.2. Minus 0.2, minus 0.1 half, and then the exposure 0.15, 0.2, no, 0.15, or maybe 0.2, but use a Fignet 0.5. Nah, even 0.7. 0.6. Okay. 0.3. 0.25. Yeah, that's the balance, I think. Looks good. 0.23. uh, I'm very confused. No, 0.25 and Fignet 0.7. No, 0.65. How about no 0.1, 0.15, exposure 0.23. Yeah, I think this is the balance. Highlight. Yeah, 0.1. Okay, I think this is the balance that we'll use. Let's take this in and let's render it with 4K resolution. folder. Okay, let's save it. Let's wait until the rendering page finish. It should be fast. You can see on the screen it's less than 2 minutes. That's very fast for high quality rendering, so let's wait. Now it's 30 seconds left. Ten seconds left. Ah, the parameters show 1 second, but it's still 88%. Very disappointing. Okay, finish. Let's see the result. This is the result. Yeah, nice and smooth. You can see. Nice. I think we can move to next step. I will make animation. So we need add uh, another scene. Okay. We already have 5 scene. So let's try to make a nice scene from here. Oh, I forgot something. I forgot to turn on this lamp. Oh, it's already on. Oh, my bad. Okay, let's start from scene number 1. Let's tweak it into a very nice scene. Let's take the parameter from previous scene we made, copy and paste parameter, and let's change the field of view just too wide. Let's change it to 60. Turn on the grid to find a nice composition. I think I want to highlight this spot right here. Okay. And then spot the TV, but we need to change the field of view because it's too big, of course. We have this one. Okay, let's change the TV area to 60 and move. I think 65 just better. We can take the chair and the the ceiling. Wait, we have to check. I forget to check the aspect ratio. 65. Wow. It's still bad. How about 75? 80? Yeah, I think 80 just best value. Hmm. Yeah, the movement should be here and then to. Oh, the clipping. We need to turn on the clipping, I think. Yeah, 80 centimeter. Okay, nice. I will take this scene, save it, and paste the parameter. Okay, copy, paste parameter, and then update the scene. Okay, next. That's very good. We can move from here. Let's try 70. Then move. 80. 75. 70. Yeah, that's good. Move here, or maybe zooming out. I will decide it later. So let's paste the parameter first. Change to 70, and then 80 clip. And we can move like this. Yeah, nice. And then the last scene. Let's paste the parameter first. Okay. And then change the field of view to 70. And we can move. Oh, should be 80 clip. And we can move from here. Yeah, we can move from here, or maybe from here to here. Yeah, or maybe from here to here. Still okay. I will decide it later. But we have the main scene. Okay, good. Now we have 5 scenes. It should be the last scene because it's a general scene. So first scene we have a detail to the easy chair, and then we have the TV cabinet and a mirror, and then we have the artwork view, and then view to window, and last we have a main scene or a general scene. Okay, I think I will stop the stream now. I will continue it later. So thank you for watching. See you in the next stream, guys.